So just here I line up this side. Afterwards I'm gonna go back to and make sure we plumb each one of them one by one.
Why? What the hell? What are they? You tell them what's not?
Oh, it's ready when it comes.
Huh?
Hard.
Spreading mortar, the most important thing you want to make sure you have is the consistency of the mortar. If it's too stiff, it's going to be hard for you to spread it and jog it to get the right coverage on the wall. So every now and again you use some water if it's too hard, and try and get your mortar to the right consistency you want. More likely a mayonnaise peanut butter consistency you're looking for. So we're setting up our template, and then we're going to transfer our level from the corner that's already built, where we'll build our lead. So we're just going to catch the level over to here and this post here, and then we're going to just work from the top down.
So guys, what I just did, I transfer my level from that point over there, and then I put up a bad boy right in that corner, and then I transfer that level, come right over here, and then as you see I put up a pole right in the corner here to move the level from that point over to that point. So after we catch that level, we're gonna bring that same level, come finish right here. We're gonna bring the level from there, come over to that point. So now we catch our level here. What we wanna do, we wanna mark our block is 7.5. Try and go like 7 3/4. So we're gonna go 7 3/4. 7 3/4. I mean, you know this is where we're working to reach. And that should be our level. Okay, so now you're gonna pass me a block. Hello,
Hi,
how are you? How are you? Go, Crystal. Thank you. Yeah, it's coming. Thank you, I appreciate it.
It's okay.
If you get involved from this video so far, guys, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It will help YouTube to promote the video. So let's see, guys, I try to boast. I try not to put too many weight on it. This block is like 35 pounds. It's very heavy. We don't want to put it on and then have to move it back. So whenever you're putting it down, try not to put too much pressure down on it. This will prevent it from sinking. block, guys. 35 pound heavy. You need a lot of heat before you come out here to lay this block. So this is our 4 feet window we're gonna put here. So now we're just marking out our window. And this space here for our window. Or steel. With drill or a wall, you want to do that every 3 or every 2 courses as you go. If you don't have any glue, you can just put a little bit of marker on your steel like this. This is how I do it. Everybody works different.
It's very important to try and get it as level as possible at the present level. So if you have to make the joints a little bit bigger than some in some areas, later on we're going to part the outside and the inside both to have, yeah, so we're going to frame the inside afterwards.
This is one of the worst foundation I ever worked on before, man. This guy seems like the guy who did the footing. Seems like he just throw the board on it. You don't use no level. It's way out, man. It's way out of level. So I'm here now trying to get back everything. My level already, guys. I'm still on a check again. Low level. Perfect level right here where it is. Blocks now. Now we're gonna start to put our anchor bolts. I'll show you guys how I do that. Now much anchor bolts now, so now we're gonna fill in. We're gonna throw the mortar inside of our block hole. For our now for our bolts. So we're gonna use a 2x6 here. So you want to get 3 inches from the edge in. You put your string line like that. So we're gonna put our bolt right here in the center of the 2x6, just like so. And you want to do the same thing down at the other end. Our first bolt, you want to put it just like so. Afterwards, I'm gonna go back through and plumb each one of them. So our line. So just here line up this side. Afterwards I'm gonna go back to and make sure we plumb each one of them one by one. 5 inches here. Afterwards we're gonna go back to and plumb each one of them one. Once I get my 5 inches, go back and plumb them